2011 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.